Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are well and doing great. The topic which I am going to present is how to make research project. So firstly we are talking about research. It is defined as intensive search with the purpose of becoming certain. It is a systematic investigations into reality to gain knowledge. The structure of the research paper is abstract, introduction, literature review, methodology, results, discussion, conclusions, references, and appendix. The main parts of this composition is introduction, body, and conclusion. So here you see these structures with their purpose. Firstly, talking with abstract, and abstract is commonly used to briefly introduce the reader to the aim of the study, the methodology, their results and their findings. And the introduction is state a clearly overall purpose of for the study, define the research questions, and also give a very brief background of the relevant theory. And then literature review is to summarize what the conclusions have been reached in the research literature and also highlight the main issues and controversies around the problem. Then methodology, which is demonstrate that you are aware of the research method which are used in the study, and also explain and justify the method of data collection and analysis. And results represent the finding of your research in very orderly manner. And discussions commit the trends and findings and show your understanding of what your data suggest, and to highlight anything which is unexpected came up. Then conclusion, which is used to sum up your findings and highlight the significance of the outcomes of your study, and also discussing about the limitation of your study because it indicates that where the further research is needed. And the references, which is usually all the reference materials that have been cited already in the text of the report, listed in alphabetically manner in this chapter or section. And the last section, which is the appendix, primarily it presents the relevant data and also the details of questionnaires, surveys, and other relevant instruments that are used in your research, and also present very relevant documents. So now, how to write the research reports. So in the abstract you must answer these types of questions, such as why did you do this study or project, what did you do and how, what did you find, what do your finding means. And in the introduction you must describe the brief description of your topic, statement as to why the topic is worth research, and also state the research objectives and methods and scope of the study, and little description of overview of your paper. And then comes literature review. There are 4 guide questions that you must answer in this section, which is what is the present state of the knowledge regarding the topic, how are the studies related to the one being proposed, what is the quality of your study, how will the proposed study contribute to the existing literature. And then the methodology. In the methodology, which are usually describe or justify the research methods through which you collect or analyze your data. And the conclusion, results and discussions should be focused on this part. And this section is to sum up your findings and show the outline any implications or recommendations that are indicated in your findings. Results actually present the finding of your result in orderly manner, and discussion show your understanding of what your data suggest. And the reference are come in. By referencing your paper, you must need to contain all the works cited in the text, and these citations have very proper reference which are written at the end of the research report, which is the reference chapter. And these reference materials are all usually written in alphabetically manner. And the last, which is appendix. In this section you must present the relevant details to represent the details of the questionnaires and surveys, and to present the relevant documents. So this is all the steps and the sections which are usually used in the research purpose and research proposals. So when you are writing any research report or the research work, you must avoid this plagiarism. So what is a plagiarism? Plagiarism is the act of presenting another work or idea in your own, and it is inadequately paraphrasing a source. So here you see there are three types of formatting in which are used in the research paper usually. The first is MLA format, which is the Modern Language Association, and used in the schools, academic departments and instructors. And APA formatting is a American Psychological Association, used by various scientific journals, medicals and public health journals, etc. And ACM format is the Association for the Computer Machinery, which is the largest and the oldest international scientific and industrial computer society, where they publish their own journals or proceedings. So this is all about my topic. Thanks for watching.